Delphinium is a genus of about 300 species of perennial flowering plants in the family Ranunculaceae, native throughout the Northern Hemisphere and also on the higher mountains of tropical Africa. All members of the Delphinium genus are toxic to humans and livestock. The common name, larkspur, is shared between perennial Delphinium species and annual species of the genus Consolida. Molecular data show that Consolida, as well as another segregate genus, Aconitella, are both embedded in Delphinium. The name Delphinium derives from the Latin for dolphin, referring to the shape of the nectary. Description: the leaves are deeply lobed with 3 to 7 toothed, pointed lobes in a palmate shape. The main flowering stem is erect, and varies greatly in size between the species, from 10 centimeters in some alpine species, up to 2 meters tall in the larger meadowland species. In June and July, the plant is topped with a raceme of many flowers, varying in color from purple and blue, to red, yellow, or white. In most species each flower consists of 5 petal-like sepals which grow together to form a hollow pocket with a spur at the end, which gives the plant its name, usually more or less dark blue. Within the sepals are 4 true petals, small, inconspicuous, and commonly colored similarly to the sepals. The eponymous long spur of the upper sepal encloses the nectar-containing spurs of the 2 upper petals. The seeds are small and often shiny black. The plants flower from late spring to late summer and are pollinated by butterflies and bumblebees. Despite the toxicity, Delphinium species are used as food plants by the larvae of some Lepidoptera species, including the dot moth and small angle shades. Taxonomy. Delineation of Delphinium. Genetic analysis suggests that Delphinium sensulatum, as it was delineated before the 21st century, is polyphyletic, nested within Delphinium S. L. are Aconitella, Consolida, and Aconitum. To make Delphinium monophyletic, several interventions were made. The new genus Staphyes agria was erected containing Delphinium Staphyes agria, D. requini, and D. pictum, representing the sister group to all other Delphinii. Further genetic analysis has shown that the 2 large subgenera Aconitum and Aconitum of the sister group to Aconitum gymnandrum, Delphinium, Consolida, and Aconitella. To make Aconitum monophyletic, a gymnandrum has now been reassigned to a new monotypic genus, Gymnaconitum. Finally, Consolida and Aconitella are synonymized with Delphinium. Subgenera D. Arthrophilium is sister to all other species of Delphinium sensu stricto. It should be placed in its own subgenus, but no proposal naming this subgenus has been made yet. The subgenera Delphinium and Delphinium are sister to the group consisting of the species of Consolida and Aconitella, which together make up the subgenus Delphinium. Aconitella cannot be retained as a subgenus because A. barbata does not cluster with the remaining species previously assigned to the genus, without creating 5 further subgenera. Selected species include Delphinium arthrophilium, Delphinium brunonianum, Delphinium cardinale, Delphinium chelanthum, Delphinium consolida, Delphinium alatum, Delphinium formosum, Delphinium grandiflorum, Delphinium nucleanum. Reassigned species. Several species of Delphinium have been reassigned. D. pictum equals Staphyes agria picta. D. Araquaenii equals Staphyes agria araquaenii. D. Staphyes agria equals Staphyes agria. Ecology. Delphiniums can attract butterflies and other pollinators. Cultivation. Various delphiniums are cultivated as ornamental plants, for traditional and native plant gardens. The numerous hybrids and cultivars are primarily used as garden plants, providing height at the back of the summer border in association with roses, lilies, and geraniums. Most Delphinium hybrids and cultivars are derived from D. A later hybridization was developed in the 19th century, led by Victor Lemoine in France. Other hybrid crosses have included D. bruninianum, D. cardinale, D. chelanthum, and D. formosum. Numerous cultivars have been selected as garden plants, and for cut flowers and floristry. They are available in shades of white, pink, purple, and blue. The blooming plant is also used in displays and specialist competitions at flower and garden shows, such as the Chelsea Flower Show. The Pacific Giant hybrids are a group with individual single-color cultivar names, developed by Ranunculaceae in the United States. They typically grow to 4 to 6 feet tall on long stems, by 2 to 3 feet wide. They reportedly can tolerate deer. Millennium Delphinium hybrids, bred by Outerswells in New Zealand, are reportedly better in warmer climates than the Pacific hybrids. Flower colors in shades of red, orange, and pink have been hybridized from D. cardinale by Americans Reynolds and Samuelson. The following Delphinium cultivars have received the Award of Garden Merit from the British Royal Horticultural Society. Toxicity. All parts of these plants are considered toxic to humans, especially the younger parts, causing severe digestive discomfort if ingested, and skin irritation. Larkspur, especially tall larkspur, is a significant cause of cattle poisoning on rangelands in the western United States. Larkspur is more common in high elevation areas, and many ranches delay moving cattle onto such ranges until late summer when the toxicity of the plants is reduced. Death is through cardiotoxic and neuromuscular blocking effects, and can occur within a few hours of ingestion. All parts of the plant contain various diterpenoid alkaloids, typified by methylaconitin, so are very poisonous. Uses. The juice of the flowers, particularly D. consolida, mixed with alum, gives a blue ink.